Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: an iPhone running iOS 18 or later, and Apple Intelligence enabled in settings. Once done, sign into iCloud using the same Apple ID so Intelligence syncs across devices. Next, open Settings right arrow messages and enable Apple Intelligence and suggested replies. This gives the system permission to read message context and generate smart suggestions. Make sure Messages has microphone and Siri permissions. Otherwise, you compose a message and watch suggestions appear above the keyboard. Tap 1 to use it instantly. If you need a specific tone or edit, long press a suggestion and choose Rewrite or Change Tone. This saves time and keeps context. For longer threads, ask Apple Intelligence to summarize or extract action items inline. Say or type a prompt like "Summarize this thread." Use voice-to-text for hands-free drafting, and make sure to review suggested changes before sending to avoid errors. You finish by reviewing AI-generated edits and confirming the message reads as you intend, then tap Send. If suggestions feel off, go to Settings right arrow messages, right arrow Apple Intelligence to disable or reset learned preferences. Once done, clear conversation cache or reboot if suggestions stop appearing. If nothing works, verify iCloud sync, stable internet, and proper permissions for Messages and Siri. Those are the most common fixes. If problems persist, update iOS to the latest build and try again.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.